Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking firmware and choosing wired or Bluetooth. Plug a USB keyboard or mouse into any available front or rear port so the system detects them immediately. Once done, power on the Ps5 and open settings. If you prefer wireless, go to Accessories, then Bluetooth Accessories, and put the device in pairing mode. Make sure controllers are disconnected for smoother pairing. This gets you past setup friction and lets the console register input devices quickly so you can move to configuration. Once devices are connected, you configure how they behave. You assign your keyboard layout and enable any accessibility options that affect navigation because system defaults may not match your region. Then adjust mouse pointer speed and primary button under Settings Accessories, mouse so cursor movement feels natural. Next, open a game that supports keyboard and mouse and set key bindings inside its controls menu. This ensures your inputs match gameplay expectations. These steps reduce input lag perception and improve accuracy during play. Now you finalize and test. Try navigation in the Ps5 menus, then jump into a compatible game to confirm commands respond as expected. This validates both mapping and sensitivity. If you see lag or dropouts, swap USB ports, test another cable, or temporarily disable controllers. For wireless trouble, repair the device, ensure firmware is current, and keep the device within 3 to 5 meters without obstacles. If problems persist, restart the console. That often clears driver hiccups and restores reliable input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.